Hello everyone, welcome to Red9SysTech channel. Myself Karthik Ponnusamy. In this video, we are going to look at what are arithmetic operators in Java. As the name suggests, arithmetic operators are nothing but to perform arithmetic operations. So what is arithmetic operations? So basically, if I want to add two numbers, or if I want to subtract two numbers, or if I want to multiply, division, model division, so these are called arithmetic operations. So let's get deeper into this to see how it actually works. Let's say this is our sample class I written. So where I have like int a equal to 10 and int b equal to 20. So now here, if you see here, I'm trying to print a plus b, which means like I'm trying to add these two numbers and I want to return the results, which is 30. Similarly, subtraction a minus b, which will be minus 10, and then a into b, which is for multiplication, which will be 200. And for division, so a minus b, sorry, a divided by b, which will be 0, because the divisible value, the output will be 0. And a modular b, which is a percentage, so basically this modular division gives the remainder, which will be 10. And once we run this program, we will see the same output. So let me explain the concepts first, and then we will execute the program. So apart from adding, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modular division, so we have another important concept in arithmetic operators. So we call that as increment and decrement. So what does it mean? So basically, increment means plus plus, decrement means minus minus. So the place where we use the increment and decrement plays a major role, because if I use these two plus symbol, the increment symbol after the variable, it means like it is called post increment. Similarly for post decrement, and if I use these two variables, sorry, these two symbols before the variable, it means pre-increment. So basically, it's nothing to worry about to confuse this particular concept. It is very easy to understand, because increment means plus plus, decrement means minus minus. Okay, if I say post increment, which means post means after, right? So after the variable, we have to increment it. Pre-increment means it is before. Pre means before. So before the variable, it has to perform this operation. If you see here the example, right? So here I'm writing. So right now here the value of a will be 10. Okay, and if I see a plus plus, so what does it mean? A will be assigned as 10, and then it's incremented after this line. So basically, a plus plus means at this line the value of a will be 10 only. Only then after this line gets executed, the value of a will be incremented by 1. So which is a plus plus means a equal to a plus 1. So when I write this line, when I print this line here, the next line it says a equal to 11. Okay, similarly in this a minus minus means a equal to a minus 1. So here the value of a will be 11, and then after this line gets executed, it is going to apply this minus minus. So that is why if I see this line, a will be 10. So hope you guys understand this concept. Let me go through it again. So increment and decrement, which are denoted by plus plus and minus minus. So post increment means the value of the variable will be the same, and then after this line gets executed, the value will be incremented or decremented. So in case of pre-increment or pre-decrement, the value of the variable will be either incremented or decremented at the same line before this variable gets assigned. So if you see here, let's say the value of a is 10 at this line. If you see here, plus plus a means a equal to 11, and here the value is incremented and then it gets assigned to the variable. So basically here the value gets incremented because plus plus is used before the variable. So this operator is performed before the variable gets assigned. So here a equal to a plus 1, which is like 10 plus 1, which will be 11. So that 11 is assigned to this variable a. So that in this line itself, I can able to see the variable got incremented, and in the second line also it will be the same, which will be a equal to 11. And if you see here, similarly for pre-decrement, the same logic applies. So if you see here, now a value is equal to 11, and if I say minus minus a, which means a equal to a minus 1, that will be applied, and that value will be assigned to this variable a. So then a equal to a 11 minus 1, which is equal to 10. So here itself, in this line itself, the value of a will be 10, and if you print in the second line also, the value of a will be 10. Let us execute this program to see the output. Okay, so if you see here, for arithmetic operators, So a plus b is 30, which is 10 plus 20, and a minus b minus 10 for multiplication 200, 0 and 10, right, which is same as what we explained here. And similarly for pre-increment and decrement, sorry, post increment and decrement, the value of a is 10, 11, 11, 10. So we explained here, right, 10, 11, 11, 10. And similarly for pre-increment and pre-decrement, the value of a is 10, 11, 10, 11, 11, 11, 10, 10, 11, 11, 10, 10. So I will be sharing this particular code in the description as well, and also it will be in the link will be given in the description, so you guys can able to download this particular code, and you guys start implementing this and try to understand this concept. This is very simple once you understand this in a very detailed way. So I hope you guys understand this concept. If you guys like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and please share it with your friends. And if you guys have any questions regarding this particular concept, please post your comments in the comment section. I will be more than happy to assist you guys. And please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. So thanks for learning at Red9SysTech channel. I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.